Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find the value of x when x is equals to, in bracket, 2 times 3 plus 11. So as we can see, there are three things that is equals to x. First is bracket, then multiplication, and then addition. So now we have to choose the preference. So we have a rule, that is bodmas rule. So according to that, first we need to give the preference of bracket, then multiplication, then addition. So as per bracket, so what is written in the bracket? 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now we remove the bracket and then addition with 11. So 6 plus 11 is 17. So the value of x is 17. So with the help of bodmas rule, you can solve this type of question easily. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.